Let us continue with our lesson over here, and let's go and add the GoRouter to our application over here. And I have added the GoRouter package already to my pubspec.yaml file over here. The current version is of the 14.2.1 over here. And once you're watching this particular video, it may be a different version. And once you have added that, let's go and run the FAR, the Flutter pub get to get the dependency. And once the dependency is added, then we are good to go. So let's go to our lib folder and let's go and create the new folder. Let's call this one as the route over here. And inside this, let's go and create the new file and let's call this one as the Go Router over here. Go Router provider.the file. And now let's create the final variable of the Go Router over here. So Go Router provider, which will be of the return type will be of the Go router itself over here. Go router. Sorry, we need provider over here. Provider itself over here. And this particular provider, what I need to do is the type for the return type for this one will be of the Go router itself, the return type. Let me just go and close it over here. And here I need to provide the ref over here, right? And let's go and open the curly brace over here. And from here, I'll just go and return the Go router itself over here. And the routes are the list over here. And the type for this one will be of the route base over here. So just you can just go and provide it. Okay, so let's just go and arrange this one properly first of all. And let's try to fix it over here. And let's try to go and let's try to add the generic type for this one. So generic type for this one will be of the route base over here. And let's also add the initial location. And the initial location, let's just go and add the / over here. And let's go and create the list of the routes. So Go route itself over here. And then the path will be of the current path. So the / is the base. And here I'll just go and add the route builder over here. So builder, and I need the build context. Just go and add the material over here. And from here I need to just go and close this one over here. And from here I'm going to return the const of the Coinbase status screen. So that is what we require over here. And I need to close this one. So if I go that screen, I can find it over here. In this screen, I have the coin status screen. So that is what is going to load in the root path over here. And I'll also go and create the sub route for this one. So Go router over here, and then I will add the route. And this will be list of the routes again. So I need to go and close this one over here. The return type will be of the same over here. So let's just go and add the return type as well. And from here, I'm going to return the, let's add the Go router itself over here. And the same process that I need to do over here. So it should be of the, over here, it's the list over here, right? Go router and then the routes itself over here. So this will be of the sub route itself. So element Go router can't be assigned to the list of the route base over here. Okay, so I guess I made some mistake over here. Let me fix this one. And it should not be sorry for that, it should not be a Go router, it should be of the Go route. Okay, I made a mistake over here. It should be of the Go route, not the Go router. And here in the list of the, it doesn't have to provide the list of the route over here. So first I need to provide the path. And in the path, I'm going to provide the, okay, so I need to provide the, so let's say this will be of the price. So I need to navigate to the price. If I go over here, from here, if I click that one, I need to go to the coin price. So the price, and I need to pass the product IDs over there. So let's go and pass that one over here. And in the product IDs, let's just go and grab the final, and let's say IDs over here, which will be of equals to the state dot the path. So let's grab it from the path parameters, and I'll just pass it as the product IDs over here. This is what we have. So I'll just grab that one over here. And if that is of the null, I'll just not cast it to the string. And if it is of the null, I'll just go and say I have a empty string over here. And once I have the IDs over here, or I'll just call this one as the product IDs over here, that will be much more better. And now I need to return from here the coin screen, right? Coin price screen over here. And I need to pass in that the product IDs, which will be of this one. So this is currently a string, but I need to pass the list over here. So let's just go and grab this one. So we will just adding the one. If you can remember, once we click on this one, we are just passing a single ID over there, right? Not the list of the ID actually. So let's try to go and create this one over here. And let's just not make this one as the IDs. I'll just call this as a product ID, because we are just actually passing a single ID over there. And this is of the string, and I'm just going to add that to this particular list over here. And this should not be a const over here. That should be fine. So now we have set the GoRouter provider over here. Let's go to our main screen over here, and I need a ref object over here, because I need to read that one. So I need to call ref dot the read over here, and currently we don't have that one since this is a stateless. So I'll just go and convert this one to the consumer state over here, and not the consumer stateless, consumer state, I guess. And okay, so main app, this will be of the not the consumer state, it should be of the consumer widget over here. Sorry for that. And here I need to have the widget ref object. So now I can actually go and read the final and go router, which will be of equals to the ref dot the watch, and that will be of the go router provider itself. And this will give us the go router. If you take a look, the return type of this is the go router. And here we just have to go and set that one up over here. And here what we need to do is let's remove the const from here. Const cannot be added over there. And then I need to pass in the router config as the go router, and I can remove the home screen from here. So we don't require that. Let's remove this one as well from here. And now let's just go and rerun the application, and it should load that particular screen. And if we go to the next screen, it should load that one as well. So everything is working perfectly fine. You can see we can come back over here. I can go to that, which means that the go router is perfectly working fine. So that's all for this particular lesson, and we learn how we can add the go router to our Flutter Riverpod, like so how we can provide the go router over here to our main app, and how we can listen to that one and add it to our the route config over here. So that's all, and let's meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.